Alright. Don't want too close to my face because you gotta see my hair. Even then it's still. So my hair is really long. This isn't straight. It's normally not always straight, but I thought that it would be cool to change up my channel just a tiny little bit because it's not all just about makeup. Hair is also very important to keep to play with. I am not super fantastic with my hair, but I thought it would be fun to film how I curl my hair. So normally I don't curl my hair that often because it's super time consuming. I'll actually time it to see how long it takes. But of course, we're not going to film the entire time because it'd be so boring to watch. I need a trim. I have some split ends. I cut my hair a couple years ago. I cut it to like about here. Yeah, it was about there, maybe a little bit longer. And it's been growing out ever since. I think I probably cut it about maybe 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. I'm not 100% sure. But yes, so I thought it'd be fun to film how I curl my hair. So I just washed it with my regular shampoo and conditioner. I used the Tresemme, not even exactly sure what it's Tresemme something or other. And then I straightened it this morning. Or actually, yes, I straightened it this morning. And I'm just going to run some hairspray through. This is the White Rain Extra Hold, super cheap. So I'm just going to, just to add some more texture and so the curls have something holding them in. So and then what I do, so I take a hair tie because I have a lot of hair. I pull it up in like a half ponytail. This is really hard because I don't have a, what's it called? Like one of those monitors so I can see myself. So I actually have a mirror sitting behind the camera. But at the same time, it's not super helpful. So I just put it up in like one of those little bun things. I need to get a new wand because mine is super old and I think it's breaking a little bit. So then I just go like this and I have this much hair to work with, and I have the Remington, it's actually on, and I'm bad. I put mine up to 400. It's probably not super smart and damaging, very damaging for my hair, but that's what I do. I don't even know. I won't even pretend I know what I'm talking about. So anyways, so all I end up doing is just taking little chunks of my hair. I usually go for about like this much because I like big, loose, beachy waves. And so hopefully I don't burn myself on camera or like, you know. And I like to take my curls and go away from my face. Underneath doesn't really matter that much. Is it burning? I can't even tell. Because your hair on top and like it's super loose, and like I just like the very loose curl. Set that down. Probably gonna burn a hole in the carpet, you know. Hair is a total different thing. I can do makeup. Well, I think I can do makeup. But hair is totally different. So yeah, just hold it for a few and then it's like that. So I'm actually going to just whip through the bottom and I'll speed it up so you guys don't have to watch how boring it is. Going to be. So then I just take my White Rain and I just separate it a little. Then I just keep doing that. I just keep pulling down hair from above And that is pretty much it. So let's fast forward and I'm going to watch some Hawaii Five-0 while I curl my hair. So my camera died, but I decided just to finish it anyways, because it's pretty much just repeat and spray, repeat and spray. Sometimes the front part never really curls as much as I want it to. But yeah, pretty much this is what it looks like at the very end. But I do still try to get the beachy waves. So what I do is I run my fingers through, trying not to make it frizzy, but just like tearing apart, like separating the curls. You know, just going through. That's why I do big chunks of hair, so then I can separate them. Run my fingers through and just pretty much that's it. It does take a while. It took about 15-20 minutes to do, so it is time consuming, especially with the amount of hair that I have. And then I just spray my White Rain hairspray in, and that is what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the back. And I just love curling my hair, and it's probably kind of gross, I guess, I don't know. I can wear my curls sometimes even for 3 days, but normally it's just 2 days. I'll just spray my hair with some dry shampoo to get the oiliness up in my roots right here, and then I'll just leave it. It really works, and I love the way it looks. So I just wanted to film a little extra fun hair video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. So have a good one.